A box contains 12 light bulbs. 5 of these light bulbs are defective. 3 light bulbs are selected at random. Find the probability that all 3 are defective, and then find the probability that none are defective. So for the probability that all 3 are defective, on the denominator I want to put the number of ways that you can select 3 light bulbs. So that is going to be 12C3. And then on the numerator, I want to put the number of ways you can select 3 defective light bulbs. And that would be 5C3. So this is equal to 10 over 220, which reduces to 1 over 22. Now, just as a quick note, if they had asked us to only select one light bulb, our answer would have been just 5 over 12, because there are 12 light bulbs total, and 5 of them are defective. But because it's asking us to select 3 light bulbs, we need to put a C3 on the end of both of these. So now let's find the probability that none are defective. The denominator is still going to be the same, 12C3. But the numerator is going to be 7C3 because there are 7 light bulbs which are not defective. So this is equal to 35 over 220, which reduces to 7 over 44.